Yung po ating guidance coordinator, nagtanong po siya, at maaaring siya po ay naghanap ng ibang makakasukan.
Yay! On here! Don't go there, don't go. May ano doon o, police. Don't go there.
Bachelor of Arts in Christian Education, and she is also a licensed professional teacher at Southeast Asia Christian College. This will be her first year of employment at Enriquez Christian School. Please welcome our school guidance officer, Miss Martes A. Galisa. Lato na lang po ito, hindi pa natin ang pasito ngayon. I-require po natin yung section ng grade 2 grade 4. At ang grade 2 grade advisor ay walang iba po si Ma'am Martes. Okay? So, next. Okay. Yung po ating school librarian last school year ay medyo tinaas ko ng konti yung level. At naglagay ako ng isang pwedeng mag-asikaso sa ating library at sa mga kailangan ng mga mag-aaral natin kapag sila po ay pumupunta sa ating library. Ang ating pong school librarian, graduate po siya ng Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. She is also a licensed professional teacher, graduated at Metro Manila College, 7 years in the academy, grade 8 advisor. Please welcome Miss Jonila T. Orozco. Yun po natin Miss Besa Serrano. Okay, kaya po sa likod, 11 up po siya. Kasi siya po yung ating IT, Information Technology Coordinator. Yan po ang Practice House and Canteen Operators Coordinator. Ang ating pong Practice House, yan po siya. Nandyan po, nahati po yung apat. Yung isang room na yan, nahati po yan yung 4 sections. Meron pong silid suluban. Meron pong silid yung kung saan mo tatanggapin. Then, the nursery advisor is a licensed professional teacher and with a Latin honor as cum laude. Talapakan po natin. Please welcome Miss Benita A. Opinion. Medyo hindi po siya gano'n nakakapaglakad dahil ewan, nakinukiyata siya dahil pinasuot ko ng sapatos na 7 inches. Okay. Occupy. Talapakan po natin. At University of Caloocan City, first year in yung academy, Miss Teresa C. Clamor. Yan po ang tatlong teachers na bumubuo sa ating pong PCCD department. Okay. grade 2, ganun din po. Ang 2 sections din po ang ating grade 2. Kaya kailangan po ng isa pang manpower natin sa ating grade 2. So, I graduate ang Bachelor of Arts in Christian Education at Southeast Asia Christian College Incorporated. Please welcome Grade 3 Advisor, Grade 3 Generosity Advisor, Mr. John Paul. Kulongan. Where is Kuya Adrian? Is he around? Wala? Okay. Si Kuya Adrian kasi natin all around Cristiano. But, like sinasabi ng mga